Tired of seeing water stains, a buildup of crumbs, and liquids in your car's cup holders? It doesn't really help that the crevice is not easy to wipe clean. But, with the help of car coasters, placing your drinks and cleaning the holder has become so much more convenient. Car coasters are typically flat or deep cup. Flat coasters look like regular coasters, while deep cut coasters have sidewalls. Flat coasters are suitable for quick, easy fit, and unobtrusive applications. They don't take up much space and don't compromise the existing space of your cup holder to fit all kinds of bottles. However, they will require more effort to clean as fluids and debris can still get in between the edge of the coaster and your cup holder if you don't have a perfect fit. There are numerous options for cheap car coasters, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost car coasters from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stahala Wooden Drink Coasters. These hybrid wooden and cork coasters bring together the best of both materials. The solid wood base with felt grips on the bottom keeps the coaster in place, while the absorptive cork soaks up any moisture from your glass. The wooden base has a curved lip around the edges, which nicely frames the glass, making it more sturdy while containing drips. The natural wood is stylish and works with a variety of home aesthetics, but we think it would look particularly great placed on darker painted wood coffee tables and side tables. Number 2. Barvivo Classic Coasters. These felt and cork coasters from Barvivo are simple in design, but offer a ton of absorption. The top layer is made of felt, while the bottom is made of cork. The two materials are fused for a lightweight yet durable all-purpose coaster. The set includes 4 colors and offers great value for their practicality. Whether you're serving a cortado coffee or cold beer for guests, these coasters will keep your surfaces stain-free. Number 3. Dacasso Black Leather. If your home has a modern, minimalist aesthetic filled with leather accents, then these Dacasso Black Leather coasters are the set for you. These black leather coasters have a sleek and simple silhouette with no visible seams. They also come equipped with a coaster holder when not in use. The felt bottom keeps the coasters steady, and cleanup is easy with a soft cloth. Because these are leather, it is recommended to wipe them dry after use, so that the leather does not sit wet for extended periods. Number 4. Dragon Glassware Glass Coasters. For an elegant pick, we love these Dragon Glassware coasters with a crystal-cut designed edge. These coasters are made of thick lead-free crystal glass, and feature small, non-slip grips on the bottom for added stability. While they are not absorptive for icy beverages, they function nicely as decorative statement pieces, and look elegant on a festive holiday table. The classy black coaster holder also makes this luxurious set very giftable. Number 5. COASTIX Shatterproof Drink. Share your fondest vacation memories or showcase a favorite family portrait on these personalized shatterproof coasters. Made of acrylic and customizable with the option to add personal photos, these coasters make great gifts for new homes, birthdays, and holidays. These are the perfect coasters for big families or families with little ones, as the acrylic material is durable and easy to clean. Note: you will have to use the provided stencil and cut out your photos to add them to each coaster. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.